In homeopathy, we ask simple question. Why did the fever occur in the first place? Not all fevers are the same and not all the bodies express the symptoms in the same way. Let me explain with examples. If the fever occurs after the child is exposed to cold, suddenly with anxiousness and restlessness, we think of aconite. If it comes out slowly with a lot of dullness, weakness, and lethargy, especially if there is shivering that is running down the spine, we think of gelsemium. Now, if fever comes up, especially after an emotional stress, like if the child has some exam coming up or because of an anger or any other kind of fright, we think of chamomilla. Sometimes we do not get very clear symptoms. So the child has low grade fever, we give ferrum phos. Fever coming up post vaccinations or because of some kind of a skin symptom or rash that has been suppressed, especially if the child is hot, doesn't want to be covered, we think of sulfur or thuja. So basically, if you see here, homeopathy reads the symptoms like fever, pain, headache as a language of the body. This language is very unique to every individual and responds with a remedy that works with the body and not against it. So there will be no side effects, there will be no suppression of symptoms, just a gentle, deep support to restore the balance. So fever is not your enemy, it is just your body speaking and it deserves to be heard. So let us treat the person who is sick and not just focus on the number on the thermometer, and let us treat them the homeopathic way. Thank you.